Mil-aero and spaceflight present some of the harshest electrical and mechanical environments for electronics, and require robust and reliable interconnect solutions to ensure critical systems operate with certainty. Positronic MACH-D D-Sub Connectors are high-performance connectors that are M24308 intermatable. They use rugged machined aluminum or stainless steel shells that protect against shock, vibration, and impact, with options for different platings and IP67 configurations. Ground strips and a banding feature ensure excellent EMI shielding and electromagnetic compatibility. MACH-D connectors are offered in standard density MCD, high density MCDD, and hybrid MCBX configurations. This includes layouts from 9 to 104 contacts and current ratings from 12 to 75 amps. Female contacts use Posiband technology that provides greater surface engagement at the contact interface for more consistent electrical performance and lower insertion force.